I really don't want to be remembered as a bootmaker, to be honest with you. I want to be remembered as a guy that actually just loved the cadets and made a good boot while he was at it. I got my start here at Holick's in 1991, pretty much with little to no experience. And my role here is basically everything. I love my job, I love the cadets, and I love working with my hands. I've always wanted to work with my hands, so it kind of just works out perfectly. What it means to me to be a cobbler is to be in line in that long tradition of working with your hands and making boots. Being a cobbler here at Holick's, to me, that's even a bigger deal because Holick's is so entwined or tied into the Corps. I mean, Joseph Holick started the band. They started making the boots for the cadets, and it's just been there's this long history. And I'm actually very honored to do what I do. When the cadets come in, the process is we'll put a deposit down, then we will measure them, we'll do an outline of their foot, and we draw some measurements on there, or we write the measurements down, and then they'll go to the upper maker who works behind me, and she'll make a pattern, and then from the measurements and the patterns, it will determine the sizes of all the components of the boot, and she'll just cut them all out, and then she'll just start piecing it together. I think the process being done the way it has been done for so long here at this shop, and us not evolving like other shops have, becoming more automated, I think it speaks volumes to the cadets on how much we care about doing it right. But it sends a message, in my opinion, that we're not going to speed the process up so that we can produce more boots and make more money. We do it exactly the same way that Joseph Holick did it, and the way it was done centuries before him. This really doesn't have much to do with bootmaking, actually. It has to do with how I view the customers. I see them as just really, really good people. Over the years, I've gotten to meet them, talk to their parents, and just get to know them. Just really good, solid kids. So when I go out and hand these boots to these cadets, it's like I'm giving them a part of myself. I'm saying to them that I respect you so much, and who you are, and where you come from, and the guy that you are, and the guy that you're gonna be, and what you've gone through to earn these boots. I've poured a little bit of myself into these boots for you.